Bonjour. Welcome to French Pearl with Kamil. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a few French expressions where verb to have is used in French instead of to be in English. The very first expression is I'm hungry. That means j'ai faim. J'ai faim. I'm thirsty. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. I'm feeling hot. J'ai chaud. J'ai chaud. I'm feeling cold. J'ai froid. J'ai froid. I'm 20 years old. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Now here, instead of 20, you can use any number according to your age. So try that out. I'm right. J'ai raison. J'ai raison. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and save this for future use. Also, if you're a first-time viewer, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon. Au revoir et à la prochaine.